how to make your sperm thicker and stronger naturally. No drugs, no ingredients. Just adopt these tips. By the power of the Most High God, you will see your semen being thick in no distant time. So make sure to watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know how you can achieve this as a man, to improve your fertility and to always live healthy. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If today is your first time to come across this channel and you want to get videos that will help you to improve your fertility as a man, or videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men, consider to be a member of this channel by hitting the like button. Subscribe today to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell to always get notified each time I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So for a man to improve his fertility, he need to adopt some measures that will help his immune system to improve. Before you can do this, you need to refrain from things that may disrupt the growth of your immunity. And if you do this, you have gone a long way to achieve this. And to improve your fertility, or to make your semen sperm thicker and stronger, avoid these things that I want to share in this video. If you can avoid them, naturally you will have your sperm thicker and stronger. Number one thing you need to avoid is smoking of cigarettes in case of some men that smoke. Smoke disrupts your immune system. Smoke disrupts the growth of your immunity or your cell, which will help to improve your semen. So the more you do this, the more your immune system, your cell shrinks. And with this, you can never have your cell capable to produce a strong and thicker sperm. So avoid smoking. Number two is to avoid inhaling chemicals or exposing yourself to chemicals. As a man, avoid inhaling chemicals, because chemicals will also seize your respiratory system and also affect your reproductive system. And with this, it can also affect your cell and your sperm cell. When this occurs, it can also affect your semen, and you can never have a thick and strong semen. Rather, it will lead to cancer and also lead to watery sperm. So to have your sperm thicker and stronger, avoid exposing yourself to chemicals or avoid inhaling chemicals. If you do this, you will also be the best man you want to be. Now, the final and the most important is to eat healthy food, fruits and vegetables. Yes, this one now is very important. When you eat good food, you eat vegetable, eat fruits, this will improve your sperm or make it thicker and stronger. When you eat balanced diets, you consume raw vegetable, fruit salad, or you consume enough fruits, this will improve your semen. And when you do this, you have your sperm thicker and stronger. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I strongly believe that you get value. To be a member of this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to always get notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. Bye.